Hello, today I will show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on FOSSiBOT F101. First, go into Settings. Go down and into the Google tab. Tap All Services, go down and then go into Settings for Google Apps. Go into Search Assistant and Voice. Go into Google Assistant. Hey Google and Voice Match. Tap Turn On, toggle Hey Google on. Now you will be prompted to agree. Finally tap Next, and Next, more, agree, small, and finally Hey Google is activated. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.